Standard 5 Maths, Chapter number 9, Boxes and Sketches. First one, you can see here, one matchbox bridge is ready. It is in your textbook on page number 132. I gave you homework to make a bridge. Okay. So matchbox play, bridge is here. You know how to measure. Now first we will learn top view, front view and side view. Now side view, this one is the side view of the bridge. साइड से ब्रिज को देखो तो इस टाइप का दिखाई देता है. ओके, सो फ्रॉम द साइड लेंथ, विड्थ एंड हाइट. व्हाट इज द हाइट? कितना हाई है? दिस इज द हाइट ऑफ द ब्रिज. सो फ्रॉम द साइड व्यू व्हाट यू कैन मेजर, व्हाट यू कैन सी? फर्स्ट यू कैन सी द हाइट एंड दिस वन इज द लेंथ. लेंथ एंड हाइट, ये साइड व्यू है. सो लेट्स मेजर फर्स्ट लेंथ ऑफ दिस ब्रिज. सो ब्रिज की लेंथ मेजर करो. आई गिव यू होमवर्क टू मेजर द लेंथ, हाइट एंड विड्थ ऑफ द ब्रिज. इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 49 centimeter long. It is approximately 49 centimeter long. So this one is the length of the bridge. This is the length of the bridge. Now this one is the height. So let's measure the height of the bridge. Centimeter measure करना है. So it is 17 centimeter. So height of this bridge is 17 centimeter. So this is the side view of the bridge. Once again, side view of the bridge, and from the side view we can see the length and height of the bridge. Now top view. अब यहाँ साइड से वो कितना चौड़ा है, उसकी चौड़ाई कितनी है वो आप मेजर कर सकते हो. कैन यू मेजर? कैन यू गेस? नहीं दिखाई देता. वी कैन सी लेंथ एंड हाइट फ्रॉम हियर. वो कितना चौड़ा है वो नहीं दिखाई देता. सो लेट्स सी, दिस इज द फ्रंट व्यू. दिस वन इज द फ्रंट व्यू ऑफ द ब्रिज. वो फ्रंट व्यू है. सो फ्रॉम द फ्रंट व्यू व्हाट यू कैन सी? हम क्या देख सकते हैं? उसकी हाइट एंड उसकी चौड़ाई. उसकी हाइट और वो कितना चौड़ा है, उसकी ब्रेथ कितनी है, उसकी विड्थ कितनी है, दैट वी कैन मेजर. सो फ्रॉम द फ्रंट व्यू, दिस वन इज द फ्रंट व्यू. फ्रंट व्यू से उसकी हाइट माप सकते हैं, हाइट देख सकते हैं, और उसकी ब्रेथ, उसकी विड्थ देख सकते हैं, वो कितना चौड़ा है. दिस वन इज द फ्रंट व्यू. एंड लास्ट टॉप व्यू. टॉप व्यू, ऊपर से देखो, हेलीकॉप्टर पे से देखो, ऊपर से देखो ब्रिज को, तो ब्रिज की क्या दिखाई देती है? वी कैन सी द लेंथ ऑफ द ब्रिज एंड ओनली विड्थ ऑफ द ब्रिज. हाइट कितनी है वो हम नाप नहीं सकते, वो हम नहीं देख सकते. फ्रॉम द टॉप व्यू, ऊपर से देखो, दैट इज द टॉप व्यू ऑफ द ब्रिज. एंड टॉप व्यू से हम क्या देख सकते हैं? वो कितना चौड़ा है, उसकी विड्थ देख सकते हैं और उसकी लेंथ देख सकते हैं, वो टॉप व्यू से. Next we can learn 2D shape and 3D shape. 2D shape means it has only length and breadth. Here you can see it has length and breadth. Sides है length and breadth only. Okay, so this is the 2D shape. And what is the 3D? This one. It has length, breadth and height. Height भी है. Okay, length, breadth and height. Okay, so this is the 3D. Okay, now here in 2D and 3D, two types. All sides are equal, means length, breadth and height equal है, so that is the cube. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? क्यूब. Rubik's cube maybe you played, so that is the cube. Cube has all sides equal, length, breadth and heights equal. And cuboid. Cuboid like this. This is the one example of cuboid. One box is here. Okay, उसकी length, breadth and height सब different है. Length, breadth and height different. So this is the example of cuboid. This is also the example of cuboid. Length, breadth and height different है. So it is the cuboid. In your textbook some shapes are given like this. I prepared few for you. So first it is the 2D shape. It has only length and breadth. Then उसको fold करके हम क्यूब बना सकते हैं. अब ये क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड बनता है या नहीं है, that we can check. First I prepared this one. Okay, dotted line I make. Now let's try to make. इससे बनता है बॉक्स. We can try to make a box. Yes, our box is ready. Now this one is cube और cuboid. ये क्यूब है या क्यूबॉइड है? Yes, it is cuboid. Why it is cuboid? Because its length, breadth and height is different. अलग अलग है. एक साइड से लंबा है, उसकी हाइट कम है. So this is the cuboid. One another example is given in your textbook. I prepared. You also can prepare at your home and fold it. First try to fold it. This also can make a box. So this is the cuboid. So from this shape we can cut. We can make a cuboid. We can make a box. One another shape is given and in that shape some lines are given. With that line we are trying to fold it. We are trying to fold. But it is not possible. वो बॉक्स नहीं बन सकता. With this we cannot make a box. So this you can cut at home. This type of shapes cut at home and try to make a cube or cuboid. Now in your textbook one open box is given. How to make a open box? This is the example of open box. Open box से एक साइड बंद नहीं है. So this is the open box. In your textbook on page number 128 page number some shapes are given like this and क्या बोला है, find out which of these shapes can be folded into make an open box. ये shapes को fold करके open box किस में से बनता है and some shapes are given on page number 46. In your textbook page number 46 some shapes are given. From that also you can cut and try to make the open box. So here let's try to make an open box. So I prepared here to make. First we will make a grip बनाओ, use scale and make a grip. Now try to make a open box. Our open box is ready or not? Yes, this one is the open box. So with this shape we can make a open box. So let's try other shape also. Take this one. I made a grip. Then let's try to make open box. Yes, with this we can make a open box. Open box is ready. So these two shapes we can make open box with this shape. Let's try this one. इससे तो क्लोज शेप बनता है. See, इससे तो क्लोज शेप बनता है. And this is the cube. This one is the cube. Okay. So इससे open box नहीं, close box बनता है. This one is close box. From this two we can make open boxes. Next puzzle, it is on page number 131. Puzzle is given in your textbook. These cuttings we have to fold this cutting and we have to make a cube बनाना है. Can you guess which cube it will be? वो क्या बनेगा? Are you playing which one? Ludo खेलते हो? हाँ, what is this? You can guess it. Okay, so let's try to make a cube from this and then we'll give the answer. Which of these are the correct deep drawing of that cube? In your textbook, this one is given puzzle. Okay, and A, B, C, D are given here, D and E, and first we will make the cube. Our cube is ready. You can stick the sellotape of Fevicol. With the help of Fevicol, you can make a proper cube. Now, let's see this one. Upside 2 dots, side 1 dots, and this side 3 dots. So, yes, this one is the correct. Let's check this one. Upside 1 and sidewise 2. So, एक साइड पे 3 है, दूसरी साइड पे 5, 4, other side 2. Okay, so maybe this one is correct. This is also right. Top side 1 नहीं correct है. See, top side 1, this side 2 is given, but here 3. So this is wrong. This one, let's check this one. 6 side. 6 side will keep up. So this side 2 नहीं, यहाँ तो 5 है. So this is wrong. 4 side. 4 side ऊपर करो. 4th dot. 4th dot ऊपर. So side पे क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 है. और this side 1. So yes, this is the correct. And 6. Once again, 6 साइड वाला करो. ओके, 6 साइड किया. सो दिस साइड 3 नहीं है, ये साइड 2 नहीं है. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. सो दिस यू कैन कट एट होम एंड मेक नाइस क्यूब with the help of sellotape and Fevicol, and use a little thick paper. Next, we will learn how to draw क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड. क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड कैसे ड्रॉ करना है. इट इज वेरी इजी. स्क्वायर यू ऑल नो हाउ टू ड्रॉ स्क्वायर्स. सो फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ 2 squares. Okay. First you can draw 2 squares with the help of scale. 1 square I drew here. Second square you can draw here also. Here also no problem. I am drawing here second square. 5 centimeter square I am taking. Again 5 centimeter because square has all sides equal. 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeter. 2 squares ready. We prepared 2 squares and then we will join all the corners. So first we will join this one. Okay. We join this one. Then second also we can join. Okay, then this, and last this corner we will join. So what is this? Our cube is ready. Our cube is ready. Why it is cube? Because it's all length, height and breadth. All are same. L, B, H. Length, breadth and height equal है. 5 by 5 centimeter. 5 into 5 into 5. So this is the क्यूब. लेट्स ट्राई टू ड्रॉ द क्यूबॉइड. क्यूबॉइड है, हम ड्रॉ करेंगे क्यूबॉइड. फर्स्ट वी कैन ड्रॉ वन रेक्टेंगल. विल ट्राई टू ड्रॉ रेक्टेंगल फर्स्ट. 6 centimeter length, 3 centimeter breadth. One rectangle is ready. Now same you can draw other rectangle. दूसरा rectangle draw करो. 3 centimeter breadth है. So 3 centimeter breadth and 6 centimeter length. Two rectangles ready. Now same thing, we will join all the corners. First join this one, second these two, third we'll join these two, and at last this one. So this is our cuboid is ready. Our cuboid is ready. उसकी length, breadth and height अलग अलग है. ओके, लेंथ वी टुक 6 सेंटीमीटर, breadth है 3 centimeter, and height, let's measure the height. This is the height, this is 3 centimeter. So different है. So this is the cuboid. This one is cube and this one is the cuboid. So students, you can try to draw cube and cuboid at home. Make a different boxes with the help of your textbook and send a pic